All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and this is going to be a real quick unboxing, guys. I got a watch in from this company right here. You guys see that? Nomon Watches. I've bought a few watches from them. They're an authorized dealer for a number of different brands. They've really added some really great lineups with Seikos, Alpina, a bunch of different brands over the years. But I originally found out about these guys or found them when I was looking for Steinhart watches a number of years back. And I've bought a number of Steinharts from them. And guys, this is another Steinhart watch here in the box. Now, I'm going to do an unboxing tonight of this, but I am not going to do a full review for probably at least 30 days is kind of my intent, is that I'll do that in 30 days, but I don't want to do one too soon. And the reason is because I want to see what this watch does in that 30-day period. And having said that, that may give you guys some kind of an idea of what is inside of here. I said it's a Steinhart. You guys already know that. So, man, they really package these things up well. It's in this air packaging here. I got to let the air out, drain it here. Sorry for the table wobbling and everything, but just the way it is. It is a big package, so I got to get this open. And famously, every Steinhart that I've looked at here on the channel comes in a very similar box, a very nice box from Steinhart. Really a professional box. And actually, it's pretty neat because here in the bottom of the packaging there, they also threw in a free NATO strap. And I forgot that they usually do this with their Steinharts, many of their brands. They throw in a free NATO strap, and they've also got a polishing cloth in there. So that's a really nice addition, and included with their free shipping of this watch. This watch got out to me in 3 days. Absolutely amazing, especially with the President's Day holiday that we had here recently in the States. They did a really good job of getting this out to me. But enough talk. Let's go ahead and pull the lid off the box and see what we have inside of here. And we have the stamped card for the warranty information right there on the back of it. There's that. I didn't know if you guys caught the reference number, but either way, we're going to take a look at the watch here now. Always done in such a professional manner, especially at the price point. These watches come in at, they're well under $1,000, sometimes at least half that or even less. And you get a whole lot of watch for the money. I mean, when these watches are actually boxed up, like what you'd consider a luxury watch to be boxed as. And I really appreciate that from Steinhart. They've always done just a really nice job. So let's go ahead and pop the box open and check out the watch inside. So guys, I have really kind of been infatuated with the OVM recently. As a matter of fact, one of the guys that tunes into the channel here, Chris Walls, he picked up one recently, sent me some pictures of it, and I fell in love. Now, I saw the bronze model with the brown bezel, and I wanted to check that one out. So go ahead and get the plastic off at least so you guys can see this watch without the plastic on it. And I don't know, do we have... Yeah, standard Steinhart logo there. I think it's a stainless steel case back. This is a bronze case on this watch. Obviously, you guys take a look at it here. It's not brass. I've had a brass watch. I had the Helson Shark Diver, the 200-meter Shark Diver, or 500-meter, I should say, Shark Diver, and that was a really nice watch. This is the Steinhart Ocean One, so this is a 300-meter, based on their standard, Ocean One case, but this is, of course, in bronze, which is going to be really neat. Obviously, the reason I'm not going to show this watch for probably a month or talk about it is because we're going to see what kind of patina develops on this watch. I mean, you can even see probably from them checking the crown on this watch, it's even a little bit of patina probably on that crown there, but this should develop over a 30-day period if I wear it quite a bit, which I plan to. Quite a nice patina on this bronze finish on the watch. Calfskin leather on here. We'll talk more about that in the full review. And these watches come in at a really good price point. I'll leave a link down below to the Steinhart website as well as the Nomon website. You guys can check out all the great watches they have there. So really quick, short video, guys, on the unboxing of the Steinhart Ocean One. This is the brown bezel model in bronze. So really good looking watch. This is to be in the OVM lineup. You have those older sword style hands, the Roman numerals, or excuse me, the Arabic numerals at the 3, 6, and 9. But just a cool looking watch overall. So guys, stay tuned to the OFD channel. We'll be doing the drawing this weekend. Probably on Sunday, I'll be announcing the winners of the 10,000 subscriber giveaway that I'm doing. They got 5 watches I'm giving away. That drawing is closed. The comment section is closed on that video, so no more entries are allowed. But I got to do a bit of work to get those into an Excel spreadsheet and randomize them and all that stuff. So, guys, a full review will be coming up within 30 days, maybe 45 days, once I've worn this thing for quite a while and developed some patina. And we'll talk more about the Steinhart Ocean One Bronze in brown, with the brown bezel insert. So, all right, guys, thanks for tuning in to the OFD channel. And if you've not subscribed yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.